ICT said this is the only trading strategy that he would use, and this has helped me make over $5,000 worth of payouts and $11,000 on another payout. And hey, $11,000 payout, that's my name right there. And FTMO, this is one of the most trustworthy prop firms out there currently. So yeah, I'll be teaching guys the strategy in this video. Now, me and my team have backtested this strategy on and on for months and scaled ourselves to big numbers. And now we have started teaching others how to achieve these big numbers by using the exact same strategy. So, all you need to do is watch the video till the end to learn how to use this strategy correctly. If you skip the video, you will not understand how to trade this correctly and you will fail in the markets. So now, before I do explain you guys the strategy, if you guys want to enter a giveaway, make sure you like, comment and subscribe and watch the video till the end and you'll be entered in a giveaway. If you are not subscribed and you want to enter the giveaway, you will not be able to, and I will find out if you are subscribed or you're not subscribed. So now I'll run you guys through the general information. Okay, so the general information is to trade from 2:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. UK time, London time. Okay, you do not trade the strategy on heavy news days like CPI, PMI, unemployment claims or anything like that, because it will affect the pairs that you will trade on this. This strategy works best on AUD USD, Euro USD, GBP USD, and it does also work on USD CAD. Let me just add it on USD CAD. It does work on some indices, SPX 500, and it can work on XAU USD, but it's not as good as it's performed on GBP USD and Euro USD as well as AUD USD. Mainly it's all of the USD pairs. As you can see on all of these pairs, the USD is the main currency which we're looking for. Okay, it works on the 5-minute time frame. The best, you can use 15-minute time frame for analysis and 5-minute for the entry. So this is a checklist for this strategy. This is the main strategy itself. So at 2:30 p.m. UK time to 4 p.m. UK time, you'll be on the charts. You will need to identify the 5-minute buy side and the sell side liquidity swings before our trading times that price can sweep. So before 2:30, you're going to be on the charts. You're going to mark out, let's say you're on the charts. So this is 2:30. 2:30 is before 2:30. You're going to mark out this, and you're going to mark out this. These are the relative sell highs and lows. Okay, the sell side liquidity and the buy side liquidity. Okay, now once one of your liquidity points are swept, we identify the current valid swing with a market structure shift as well as a displacement. Okay, now you will look for a market structure shift, which is going to be around, so it will be like this. Okay, like this, and then it will have a market structure shift like this. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so now once the market structure shift and the displacement take place, we wait for a fair value gap. Okay, where the entries are only going to be valid if there is a fair value gap. Okay, and we take our trade from the BPR range. Okay, you'll be using the range tool, and you only enter the trade using the BPR range. Okay, you'll enter off the extreme fair value gap that's been created. Your stop loss will be covering the displacement leg high or the leg low, or maximum of 8 pips. Okay, 8 pips is the max, and your target is going to be opposing liquidity or an imbalance, and it's going to be a minimum of 1 to 2 RR. Okay, so now let's get into a chart example. Okay, but hey guys, before I do get into a chart example, I want to tell you guys about our shamz.smc mentorship. And this mentorship is created for people who want to become profitable traders and make thousands and thousands of dollars with us, and it is only $29.99, which is the price of a cheap pair of shoes. and you will receive a premium indicator, a premium Discord group with other SMC and ICT traders to surround yourself with like-minded people and make thousands of dollars together. You'll receive a one-to-one channel which we will be replying to everyone 24/7, whenever, wherever. Okay. You'll receive more than 5 hours of pre-recorded premium videos on how to trade in our strategy. You'll receive weekly live calls recorded so you can see how I trade and how you can become the same trader as I am. Then you'll receive very beginner friendly trading lessons, and you'll receive pre-made, clear and precise custom trading plans, and you'll have loads and loads of funding opportunity of Shams personal capital. Okay, so let's get into a chart example. As I've shown you guys before, this is the market session. So as soon as the session opens up, you will mark out the high and the low, the relative high and the relative low. Okay, so in this case, this is the relative low, which I've marked out here, and this. Okay, so we need a market structure shift and take out liquidity, and then market structure shift to the downside. But yeah, let me show you guys a real chart example now. Okay guys, so we are on to the chart example. We are going to play out the markets and see when we enter our trading session. So yeah, we have been entered in our trading session. We need two sweeps. We have two areas. We need one of them to be swept. This is the relative high, this is the relative low. Okay, so let's zoom into this. So let's see which one gets swept first. Sell side liquidity has been took out, and we have created this. Okay, so yeah, we would have entered here on this fair value gap and this entry, which is continuing the trend. And yes, so before this it was bullish. Okay, now it's going to turn into bearish. Okay, so we've entered here already. 1 second, let me just find this here guys. Stops probably a break even already because it is against the trend a bit, but yeah, we will be targeting this. This is risk free, by the way. So yeah, the stop loss, we could have used this as a stop loss, but just for the sake of this video and to be safe in this trade, we are going to use that. Okay, so yep, we could have stopped out here, just closing out here, around here. This is a 2RR, and it will still probably most likely hit TP, but this is a pretty big trade, so let's see how it plays out. Yep, it probably hits TP right here. Yeah, nearly hits TP, but yeah, we just count this as a win. Okay, probably does move down, probably, but yeah, it definitely does. That definitely hits TP. This is an amazing trade. Very long, but it is worth it. So you'll be making thousands, so you wouldn't have a problem by holding trades. Okay, so let's move on to the next example, guys. So here, guys, we are on to the second example. So chart example. Okay, so this was, let's mark out the relative high, which was right here, and the relative low, which is right beneath here. Okay, so now we are going to wait for one of these areas to be swept. Okay, so let's see which one gets swept first. Buy side liquidity got swept. We got an inverse into the fair value gap right there. We are going to be entering long positions. Our limit would have been set already with the following candle. So yep, we are entered in this. 1 second, guys. So we would have been entered around this region here, according to this. Stops right there, beneath there, and we would aim for this. Okay, very small trade, but let's see how this goes. Okay, this very long trade, but it did end up hitting take profit. It nearly missed take profit by around, let's see how many pips that was, by less than a pip, by maybe a pip. Okay, but yeah, So this was it from me today, guys. This was a trading strategy, and I'll be looking for new strategies, and I'll be testing with my team. I'll get back to you in the next video, guys.